So what I'm showing you today is a $25,000 credit card that is a primary trade line that I recently reported on this client's CPN. So what this does is add credit history on the credit report and also helps you get approved for a high limit credit card. So if you report a high limit revolving credit card as a primary account, which means it will be open under your name, then you will get approved for higher limit credit cards because banks and lenders look at the credit history and your overall credit score to get you approved. But what really gets you approved is the payment history, aged and backdated. So if you want to get a credit card for at least $25,000, you need to report this primary trade line. Now, once you report this primary trade line, your credit score will increase to a high 800 credit score. Refreshing the page, you will see it still says a high 800 credit score. So once you build up your credit, you can apply for credit cards such as Capital One Venture X and get approved for at least $20,000. And if you want to find other banks, American Express works, Wells Fargo works, Capital One especially, or Chase Bank, once you report the primary trade line to see that it is a primary and not an authorized user, you will look at the responsibility, which says individual as a primary. Now, going forward with the primary trade line, this is what I have available. So what I can do for you is reassign debt accounts, which can be helpful because when you apply for a car, a credit card, property, houses, apartments, or even funding for your business, you need to have aged, backdated credit history. So in order to do that, you need to have a primary trade line. So I'm able to report these accounts as your own, making it look like towards the banks and lenders that this is the account that you opened yourself and made all those years of payment history. So what I showed you earlier was a 25,000 credit card reported. This is the package I have available. A 25,000 revolving credit card by Capital One. It has at least 4 years of credit history as an open account with 100% payment history. The utilization is 30%. I can report this on your CPN, on your personal credit, on your business. So all of the aged credit history for 4 years will report on your credit report. So then when you apply for a credit card, the banks will see this account was opened under your name, and because of the history, you will get approved, guaranteed. That's the basis of a primary trade line. So if you are interested in reassigning primary trade lines, it will take me 12 days to report it on all 3 credit bureaus. It will stay on for 4 years and then it will fall off. Within the 4-year time period, you can apply for as many credit cards as you want or add more primary trade lines to do what you need to do financially. So if you are interested, I left my email